Okay, welcome to video 7 where we're going to be doing more practical SEO, making your site visible without needing to have extensive technical knowledge in order to do so. Now in this video we're going to be talking about WordPress themes. And if you're familiar with WordPress all, you're probably wondering why we're talking about WordPress themes in an SEO course. Because themes basically customize the look of your website. And that's going to be important as time goes forward as you begin to build your web or your online business. Now, WordPress themes do not necessarily affect SEO, but it's important to use WordPress for the following reasons. Number one, because themes or the look of your website, these themes can be interchangeable. So in other words, you can stop using one particular look of your website and you can start using another one. And a good theme with some solid information can help to keep visitors on your page longer, and that does affect SEO. So while your settings will not affect SEO, the fact that your visitors will find your site more appealing depending on how your theme is set up and depending on how you want to structure your site for your visitors, that is a very important thing to keep in mind. Now there are paid themes and there are free themes available, and I'm going to show you how you can find themes for your website right now. Okay, we're going to go back to the website that we are setting up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the appearance section and look for themes. Now we already have a theme set up in WordPress, and let's say that, well, maybe we don't like that theme and we'd like to find a different theme. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to go to the Install Themes tab here, and we're actually going to start looking for some themes. And we can do that inside of WordPress, and WordPress will help us to find themes that will fit our particular parameters. So let's say that we want something that's blue, we want to have something that's got 2 columns, and maybe that's all that we have specified. So then we're going to click Find Themes, and then you'll notice that we have 181 themes that we can pick from, that we can change the very look of our WordPress site. Now, these themes are actually going to be free to us for the most part. So we can go ahead and we can click the preview button to see how it's going to look. Right? And if we like that, we can just click the install button. And we can keep looking through the themes that are going to help us to determine the look that we want. And again, the reason that you want to be careful or that you want to pay attention to the look of your website is because when you have an attractive website that makes your visitors comfortable, they're going to spend longer on the site, and the longer that they spend on the site, the more credible in the search engine operator's eyes or Google's eyes that your site is going to be, and then you will be that much more likely to rank in the search engines. Right? So you want to get a theme that you think is going to be attractive. Now let's say that you find the right theme. Okay, we're scrolling through some themes right now, and let's say that, okay, we like the theme that looks like this one, From Dusk to Dawn. So we click Install. We can live preview it on our site to see what it might look like. So that's what our theme is going to look like. We can decide to save and activate it, or we can say, no, I don't really like that one. And so then we can go back to return to the theme installer, and we can pick some other themes. And let's say that this time what we'd like to have is we'd like to have a white site with lots of white space, and maybe we'd like to have 3 columns. So then we're going to find the themes that are available. Okay, and we've got 70 themes that are available to us. Okay, and so we can pick one of these themes that we like. And we can click Install Now. We can do a live preview to see if we like it. Okay, and let's say I like the look of this site. Then I'm just going to click Save and Activate. And now if I take a look at my site, instead of the look that it had before, it's now going to look like the theme that I put in. Now remember, the particular theme doesn't necessarily, not necessarily going to give you settings that are going to assist you in SEO. What it will assist you in is making your site an attractive place for visitors, which will affect your SEO. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.